Hi besties, my name is Delight and I do lifestyle, fashion and cooking content on this channel. So in this episode today, I'm just going to do a skincare haul. As you've seen in the title, I'm going to do a skincare haul with you guys. So if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up as the button down below, and if you haven't subscribed and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. And also, if you're already subscribed, you can hit the notification bell so that you become part of the notification gang and you know every time there's a new upload. So yeah, let's get into the haul.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all.
So I have this get bag. So it's skincare I've been collecting for a while now and I haven't unboxed it. And I haven't used any of it because I wanted to do this with you guys. Please don't mind my voice. I know it's sounding weird. I have a terrible flu, so yeah. It really gets tricky. So yeah, let's get into this. So first up I have these stuffing gloves. I got 2 pairs of these stuffing gloves, and this is the first item. And then secondly, I have this. It's the olive oil wrap or mousse, whatever, wrap or set mousse. So yeah, this, because I bought crochet braids with Selfcare, so I decided to get this, and I also use it for these braids, and I want to kill these braids at the ends. I'll do that with you guys. So I got this mousse. Then I've been trying to use different types of gels for my edges, but they have been the ghetto. So I saw on TikTok, influenced by TikTok, there's this styling gel that I saw on TikTok. It's the Glamour Beauty styling gel. So the Ultra Glued styling gel, this one. So I got this one and I need to try it out and I'll give you guys an update if I like it, if I don't like it, does it work or not. It says that there are no flakes and no residue, so we will see. And then next up I have this Portia M face wash. I know it's written for men. It says Portia M for men. I couldn't find my actual face wash for oily skin, the sulfate free one, so I decided to get this face wash for men because this is what I could get at the pharmacy. So I got this one. It's still the Marilla range, just for men. But I think there's not much of a difference, except that men's skin is a bit rougher than ours, so I'm just going to try it out. And the next up, I have my fave. Oh my god, it's not focusing. I have this Portia M, the face cream, the day face cream for oily skin. I told you guys in the previous haul that I bought the wrong face cream. I bought the one for normal skin and I have oily Asian skin. So yeah, this time I bought the correct one. So yeah, this one has SPF 20. So yeah, this is the container. And then next up I got this, my fave. This is a Dove antiperspirant. It's the Even Tone Skin Renew one. This is a 48-hour protection. I can tell you about Dove products. These products are great, especially if you work in environments where you sweat a lot, or around this time we're getting into spring and then summer. So yeah, it can get a bit tricky. You don't want to smell sweat, so you can try this one. I got this for $5 for two for this. I know they're cheaper elsewhere and they're also expensive elsewhere. So where I got this, it's $5 for two. And I also got this tissue oil, the Magnolia tissue oil. I prefer the coconut one, the cocoa one, not coconut, the cocoa one is the cocoa heaven, but I couldn't find it, so I ended up buying this. This is 100 ml, so I bought two of these. I use this with my body cream, so I just apply this on top, or I apply this first and then the body cream. So I apply this first and then the body cream, and sometimes I apply this after the body cream. So I just got two of this. And last but not least, I got this. These are the Dove Invisible Dry Roll-On. It's the Invisible Dry Roll-On. Yeah, these are the last items I got. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video up until the end. If you watched up until the end, please drop some white doves in the comment section down below to let me know that you watched up until the end. So until the next video, vlog, or cooking reel, it's goodbye from me.